Make your entire PC experience faster with the Nvidia GeForce GT 710 dedicated graphics card. In this video I am going to show you the Nvidia GeForce GT 710 unboxing and review. Now, you can enjoy better performance than integrated graphics in all your favorite PC applications, delivering rock-solid reliability and stability with GeForce experience. The main highlight of this product is low-profile design allows space-saving installation and easier for building your compact PC system. The graphic card is integrated with the first 2048 MB DDR3 memory and 64-bit memory interface. Once we unbox this, we will find the graphic card. And beneath that we will find the quick guide and a graphics driver CD. The quick guide comes with all the information regarding the graphic card, ports and more. It comes with gold-plated and durable large contact area connectors have been used for optimum signal transfer between connections. It supports PCI Express 2.0 x8 bus interface. The Nvidia GeForce GT 710 comes with core-clock 954 MHz and features dual-link DVI-D, D-sub and HDMI ports. The recommended system power supply requirement for this product is 300 watt. And it has 3 years warranty. It comes with a low-profile fan required for the GPU to cool down, which runs silently and smoothly. So if you are thinking to buy the graphic card within 3 to 4,000 range, this could be the better option for your ultimate gaming experience on low-end PCs.